Hi, I'm Noelle from CFRE, the Center for Real Estate Education. People every day ask me, how do I become a real estate agent? How do I get my license? Well, getting your license in the state of New York is real simple. First, you must complete an approved 77-hour course with a licensed real estate school. Second, you must take and pass the New York State exam. Third, you must select a sponsoring real estate broker. This is not hard to do. There are many real estate brokerages that are excited to obtain new talent. And fourth, you must apply for your New York real estate license and be accepted. It's really that easy. And once you're done, you're off to a new career in real estate.